Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dolly zoom effect in Premiere Pro less than 1 minute. For this effect, you need a clip that's actively zooming into the screen. To begin, go to the end of your clip, then go to Preview window and click on this Export Frame button. Check off this Import into Project option and click OK. Add the exported frame to your timeline one layer upper than your main clip and put it at the start of the layer. Then go to Effect Controls panel. Increase the opacity to 50%. Select the main clip. Go to Effect Controls panel and click the stopwatch icon for scale and position to make keyframe. Now change both scale and position values so that your main subject is in the same location as the ending frame. Then go to the end of the main layer and click on this Reset button for both scale and position. Now remove the exported frame from your timeline and it's done. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Wishing you all the best and see you in next video.